In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the possibility of BTC dumping to much more lower prices like the 40k level. The question is this really possible? Well, to give you a quick answer, yes, this is absolutely possible because right now we are in a global crisis, and in the past few hours we've seen the S&P 500 dumping more than 2%, and this has resulted to $1 trillion being wiped out of the stock market. And also, if you take a look at gold, we are now down 20% from the all-time high, and this is due to what is currently happening in the Middle East right now. It's causing a lot of global tension and a lot of financial crisis in the market. And in the last few hours, we've also seen oil pumping to the $100 level, and this is now imputing high inflation rate into the global market. And I think with this kind of setup and with this kind of negativity entering the financial market, we are definitely going to see BTC having a major crash to the 40k level. And also, you can see we are having this bear flag here that is currently active, and we have also failed to break and close above the bear flag. And I think in the next few hours or in the next few days, we are definitely going to see a major crash from BTC since we have refused to close above this level of resistance right here, the 76k level. And right now, if you take a look at the Bitcoin ETF, we are having a lot of outflow coming from the ETF, and this is going to be a negative impact that is going to fuel the BTC price going to much more lower level. Now, in order for you to avoid the major crash to the 40k level, we need to see the price, like what I've been saying in my past videos, to close above this key level of resistance right here, like the 76k level. Then from there, we can easily break above this massive bearish trend line right here, and this is going to put us into the 83k to 85k level, and this is going to be a new beginning of a bull market. But right now, we are not looking really good to come and test this level. And also, if you take a look at the stablecoin dominance, we are now seeing a little amount of strength from the stablecoin dominance. As you can see, in the past few days, we've seen this major rally right here, and right now we are looking just consolidating in order to get a momentum that is going to push the stablecoin dominance into much more higher prices. And with so doing, we are definitely going to see BTC going down to much more lower level. And also, in order for you to avoid the crash to 40k, we also need the S&P 500 to show a little bit of strength right here to pop into much more higher prices, and this will put BTC into a global relief and a good sentiment that is going to push us into much more lower price. So this is just a quick update on the crypto market. In the past 24 hours, nothing has really changed. I just want to update you here. And also, if you take a look at the liquidation heat map here, currently we still have a lot of liquidation price building below the current price of BTC, sitting at the 53k level, and this is going to cause a global liquidation if we get to this level. And if we get to this level, this is going to impute a lot of fear in the market, which will result us dumping to the 40k level. So this is what I currently have on the BTC price chart, and like I said, no much has really changed. I just want to give you this brief update on the entire crypto market, and what is currently happening in the East right now is causing a lot of financial crisis in the global market. What we need is a peacemaking from the Middle East, and this is going to slow the intention and fear that we're having in the entire global market. So that is that for the crypto market today. No much has really changed. Like I said, BTC needs to break above the 76k level in order for we to be in a safe zone. But right now, we are looking like we are going to repeat the same bear flag we saw at this level. And if this you repeat, we're definitely going to see the 40k level. So with that being said, no much has really changed. And also, if you take a look at the ETH right here, ETH is still looking like it's going to play the same bear flag pattern we have been seeing in the past few days. And like just like what we saw here, we're definitely going to break into much more lower prices if we fail to hold this level right now, and also fail to break above this trend line right now. Next key level of support that I'm taking a look at here is the $1,800 and the $1,500 if we should get a repetition of this price action right here. So this is what we have on the crypto market, and like I said, as long as we keep seeing outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, BTC on the short term is looking very, very weak, and we are likely to come and test the 40k dollar level. So this is what we currently have on the crypto market. No much has really changed. I just wanted to update you on what is currently happening. So with that being said, this has brought us to the end of today's video, and find this video very useful and informative. Don't forget, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I make a new update, you definitely be notified. Right? With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.